Well, what's up, peeps? And today I'll be showing you how to draw MCAT. And how to draw MCAT? Well, I'm finally telling you. I'm using Clip Studio on this, so if you don't have Clip Studio, then you probably want to use like something like Procreate or like Clip or something, or whatever draw app you have. So first you're gonna start whatever what body part you want to start. I usually start for the leg, the foot. Oh wait, I'm on the long layer. Okay, so I'm starting the feet at the very bottom. You can just, if you're like drawing like some kind of stickman and drawing on it, and like drawing a body and then draw on another layer and then you draw that. You can be like that if you just like that. But I usually don't do that. It seems pretty cool. And then first you're gonna want to make the torso like this. And then you're gonna want to draw like that bone thingy on my chest. You're gonna want to draw this pattern. You may want to copy that if you want. And then you just draw an arm. And there, you got an arm. Actually, no, that doesn't look as good. Alright, actually, no, the legs looks kind of bad. I'm gonna erase that. Sorry about that. So you're gonna want to make the rings look like that on my pants, and then you want to draw the end of the pants like here. You're gonna want to make that design. Same with the other foot. Next, draw the tail. Whatever length you want. I'm just gonna do it like this. Actually, I'm doing it like that. Then you can add any hand you want. You can add like ball hands, maybe like wheel hands, but I kind of like using both. Oh, that's not a good design. Next, you're going to want to erase this part. And also, for this hand, you can like use any hand you want. You can maybe like use like an open hand or fist. I'm just gonna use a fist for this. Shoot. Wait. Okay. Next, you're gonna want to erase the fingers there, then add, then boom, you got that. Next, you kind of want to add like some kind of scarf here. There you go. Then if you kind of miss something here, then you're gonna want to draw it back. Then you're gonna want to draw a neck, and then you're gonna want to draw the head. You can add any fur type you want. You can add like whiskers, maybe like any fur type you want. I just use those. I just use those kinds. Then next, you're gonna want to add the kind of hairstyle I have on my head. So it's more like that. Then for the ears, you can add like any type ear you want. You can add like this ear, or maybe like this ear, maybe like this ear. I basically just use that ear. And also for the inside, you can use any type you want. You can add like any like insides of it, like that, or maybe like this, maybe like this. I just basically add none of them, and also same with the other ear. Next, you can add them. Next, you want to add the mouth. You can use any mouth if you want, like this or this. Sometimes I basically do that, or sometimes I can do that. I'm just gonna do this kind of mouth. Then next and then for the eyes, you can use any eyes you want. You can use like these eyes, or maybe like these eyes, or maybe like these eyes. Basically, I just use this eyes and these eyes. Okay, same with the other eye. And then next, you're gonna want to draw my weapon, my fire katana. So first, you're gonna want you can add any design on that. You can add like a long leg with that, or you can just add like this, or maybe like do this, or maybe just do like a whole stick. Basically, I just use this, basically. Then next, you're going to want to add the length of my katana. That's the length of my katana, if you want to copy that. Next, you want to erase this line. Then, boom, you got my katana. And boom, that is how you draw MCAT. See y'all at the next time.